I don't know about leaving car soon. Look, that's the check engine. Look, here's the car, the engine. It's dying on me. I've been doing everything I can to fix it. I'm doing my best. I'm putting I put a lot of money in this fucking car. I'm sorry the word. So I do want to leave, but I don't know what else to do. Like I need it. He said I need to get a filter and some shit like that. I just kind of want to give up on this shit. Like I want to take the car with me and all that, but here it. And this happened. I'm pretty sure over in Justin's. I don't know who did it. Someone in there got pissed off with me because I was angry because they talked our shit, which they had the right to question and right that why did they go through my shit or our stuff. So I don't know, Kyle. You tell me if I'm fucking lazy. I've been fucking around too long in here, but you can see it. I'm not lie to you. And actually, you got lucky. The car actually works. You know, it just. We take the gas tank out, draining, we put a new fuel, a lot of chemics in there so we can work out. I don't know what else to do. I don't know if I can leave the Monday. If you don't believe me, just come and get the stuff that you need to get, or I can give it to grandma and then you can send the money to her so she can send it to you. So I don't know what else to do. I'm about to give an up and shit.